the door. With legal capacity, we are inside. With legal capacity, we are inside. Yes.
Everything is live. Everything is live.
That's fine. We are in legal capacity.
Maintain social distance.
Yes. We'll keep.
Maintain social
You work closing the door.
Sign over here.
Don't worry.
Ma'am, please.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please.
I'm sitting
You
here.
put your signature on this paper. Please,
I will tell
ma'am.
you people here.
Please acknowledge. Ma'am, please. I know.
Better you come with us.
Keep a distance.
Better where you come with us.
Wait.
Are you coming with
Keep a
us?
distance from
Are
me.
you coming with us peacefully?
Just one second.
Just told. Are you coming with us?
This is going to.
Please,
What I am asking, are you coming with us?
Please wait. I am DYSP Praveen Patil. Listen. I am not finished. Listen. I am DYSP Praveen Patil from Raigad Police. I am here to arrest you in CR number 59 of 2018 under section 306 34 IPC.
Why did you
You have to cooperate me. You have to cooperate with me.
Why did you physically assault?
Please come.
You physically assaulted.
Why did you physically assault?
Ma'am.
Ajay, they have physically assaulted you.
Yes.
He's physically
We
assaulted
are
you.
going to cooperate. We are going to arrest him.
They physically
Someone
We are
assaulted.
taking him to Raigad, Alibag.
They physically assaulted
They
me.
are physically assaulted.
ठीक है चल
They have physically assaulted me. I need to make some arrangements.
चल घर
I need to make some arrangements.
You are live.
Shamo, I need to make some arrangements. I need to make some arrangements. I need to make some arrangements. I am telling people in the family I need to make some arrangements. I am a journalist.
You will have to know you have met 7 people.
I am
standing outside your residence.
My last
You
2
will
hours.
have to because you have not yet ready.
You have physically assaulted me. I have some problems.
No physically assaulted.
You have
to
physically
cooperate.
assaulted me.
Yeah.
And I need to make arrangements with my family. So please wait outside. I'll come.
No. You are under arrest right now. We'll give you ample time to.
No, you don't physically assault me.
Just one minute.
चलो खाने का सब चलो खाऊंगा
Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son.
Nobody has touched your phone.
You have touched my son. You have assaulted me. You have physically assaulted me. You cannot physically. I'm telling you, you are physically assaulting me, assaulting my family.
Please cooperate.
Sachin, if you do this, you are in my house. Why is he bringing me in the house in the morning? I am the editor-in-chief of Republic TV. You are physically assaulting me. Is this correct? Sachin, you tell me why you are physically assaulting me. I will not accept physical assault. I will not accept. I will cooperate but not physical assault.
आराम से शांति से मैं बात करता हूँ.
Not physical assault. No. You have no. What happened?
सर जी आप बैठिए, मैं करता हूँ, बात करता हूँ सर. मैं चेयरमैन हूँ बिल्डिंग का, मुझे अभी पता लगा. आप मुझे बता देते मैं थोड़ा
I need to make arrangements for elderly people.
सर जी आप बैठिए, मैं
There
करवाता
are some
हूँ.
elderly
आप
people
बैठिए
in the
सर.
family. I need to make some arrangements.
Please.
Maintain social distancing and sit around.
Ma'am, you know.
This is my house. Please maintain social distancing.
You are in our custody.
Let me talk to Arnav once.
You can't physically assault me.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
I have to make arrangements for my family members before leaving.
हम अरेंजमेंट कर देंगे.
I will make arrangements. You can't. I have to make arrangements. I have elderly parents. I have to make arrangements for their treatment. They are not well. My hand is injured.
It's your right to do it. It's your right to do it. Please do it.
Sachin. Yeah, so why don't you leave now? Residents can make arrangements.
You are in our custody.
No, but I can't do this while you are sitting here.
Arnav, you are in our custody.
There are 20
And
people in my house.
No, yes. By doing this, you are making problem to yourself.
No.
Please don't.
Don't
You have
worry,
physically
we are ready
assaulted
for
me.
any problem.
Whosoever
Don't worry.
assaulted,
Shamo,
we will take care.
you have physically assaulted me.
I am not assaulted.
Physically
You have.
assaulted.
Arre, when?
Sachin, you and me have.
No, this thing I was not.
This physical assault chain,
Yeah,
which has
I came
happened.
later.
I just want to tell you, viewers,
I came
these
later.
are the people here. Shamo, is this live?
अर्नब जी आप
No.
These are the people, they have
We
physically
have to
assaulted
use
me.
force now. We have to use force now. If you do like this,
प्लीज
don't do that.
प्लीज
Please don't
कोऑपरेट
do
कीजिए.
that.
लीगल एक्शन है.
and then we will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. आप जो
Yes.
करना है आप एडवोकेट को
Yes.
बोल दीजिए. आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. लेकिन
Yes.
अभी
Shamo.
आपको हमारे साथ चलना
You
पड़ेगा.
assaulted me.
Shamo, they've assaulted
Yes,
us.
I have got that all live. That's gone
Okay,
live,
great.
that assault.
Great.
And this person assaulted me, I don't know his name. Just want to give a report before going. Shamo, first of all, don't worry.
आप कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
Everything will be all right.
अर्नब जी,
These people have entered my house and
आप
physically
लीगल
assaulted
एक्शन
me
के लिए
today.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police.
I'll send it to the.
They came at 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and Sachin
gentleman,
Vaze,
this gentleman.
who has entered my house illegally, physical assault is unacceptable and I have been, it cannot be done. Listen, he is an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down, I'll make arrangements. You please go down, I'll make arrangements. You have physically assaulted me, I'm injured. I now need to take medical advice and come. Because of your physical assault, I am feeling unwell. So I'll take medical advice and come.
वो भी मिलेगा.
नहीं,
Physically assaulted me. I need to
मेडिकल असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. लीगल एड असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ
सचिन जी, मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है, इसलिए मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेल अवेयर सिटीजन. इफ यू हैव फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी, आई नीड मेडिकल एडवाइस बिफोर लीविंग बिकॉज आफ्टर द फिजिकल असॉल्ट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल.
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा. कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
I need
We would like to record the
I need to
physical
make
assault.
arrangements for my family members.
Please.
Shamo, just record this. I don't want to talk.
Please, yeah, suggestion, yeah.
I want to talk to my family before leaving. Will you leave the room? Give me privacy to speak to my family. I want to speak to my family.
Please, Arnab, please, we are requesting you, please.
Don't physically assault.
No one has physically assaulted you. You are
First of all, don't surround me like this.
आप
you
चलिए.
are in our custody.
अभी चलिए. चलो प्लीज.
You are no one to dictate
We are
anything.
requested.
You are in our custody.
Don't shout at me.
You are in our custody. You are in
You
police
physically
custody.
assaulted me this
I have
morning.
not. I have not.
What is the charge?
Sorry?
What is the charge?
We will tell you. We will give in writing.
Already you have copy to
Yeah, we have already given written.
Once again, I will tell you, is case number 69 of 2018 under section 30634 IPC about Raigad police. Come on.
That this is closed.
Yeah.
No close, not
It
close.
has been open.
It's open.
You have been arrested. You are arrested.
You are arrested by Raigad police. Come on.
You are been arrested by Raigad police. चलिए उधर. Yeah.
They have assaulted me. Shamo, listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife.
झालं उचला आता. उचला.
You can't.
उचला त्याला दिसू दे.
Shamo,
उचला. उचला.
Shamo, record this.
चलो enough.
Come. You come by your own. हम टच नहीं करते.
But I need to consult my doctor.
Yes. Every all medical help will be given.
You will get everything.
You will get everything.
Advocate, everything.
Yes, everything you will get.
Jay, Shamo,
चलो.
just call the doctor.
We have.
चलो. चल भाई उचला.
Shamo, I need to speak to my wife.
चलो उचला.
Sachin, just stay away from me. I need to speak to my wife.
No.
I
You
need
have
to
gone too
speak
much.
to my wife.
Yeah, you are creating trouble for yourself.
I need to speak to my wife.
Yes.
Shamo!
Assault!
Don't push my